In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix and stop your Microsoft Edge browser from automatically opening whenever you open or restart your computer. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. So to fix this problem, as you can see, I've opened my computer and Microsoft Edge browser went ahead and also opened and it is running. To fix this problem, it is quite easy. There are two ways you can fix it. First, just head over to Start menu here, and then under search here, just type in run, and run is here. Now under run, go ahead and enter shell :startup, just as one word, and then click on OK. Now as you can see, this will open a startup folder that contains all the programs that are set to automatically run whenever our computer is powered on. And now you can see Microsoft Edge is on the list. Now to fix this, go ahead and right click on Microsoft Edge and then delete it to remove it from the list and close it now. And from here now, this problem will be fixed. And whenever you start your computer, Microsoft Edge browser will never again automatically launch. However, if this did not fix your problem, then head over to the next solution. And for the next solution, go to Start menu here and then go to Settings. And under Settings, click on Accounts. From Accounts, look for the option called Sign In Options and scroll down until you see Restart Apps and Privacy. Go ahead and toggle this off, and this should fix now your problem. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.